Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to upload your CV or other documents or attachments to your BestJobs profile. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Then tap on the menu icon in the upper left corner of the screen. Now click on your profile icon, scroll down to the attachments section and tap on it. Now you can see that at the browse section there's one document. If you would like to upload this document, all you have to do is clicking on it. So now it has been uploaded. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.